Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power. Flip the breaker and verify the track is dead with a non-contact tester. Once confirmed, remove bulbs or shades. This prevents breakage and gives you clear access to the head. Make sure to wear gloves for grip and torque control, and place screws in a container so nothing drops. Now position a steady ladder so you can reach the head comfortably. Don't rush this setup because stable access prevents stripped screws and damage. You now focus on the adapter. Feel for a release tab, set screw, or twist lock mechanism. Manufacturers vary. Once you find it, support the fixture with one hand so it won't drop, and with the other, depress the tab or rotate the adapter per the system's motion. You'll feel it disengage. If there's a small set screw, back it a quarter turn, then pull. Keep movement steady. Jerking can bend contacts or shear small pins inside the track. After the fixture is free, slide it straight out of the track. Don't angle it because the contacts can deform. Once removed, inspect the track's copper contacts and the adapter pins for corrosion or bending. Clean or replace parts if needed. If everything looks intact, reinstall covers or other heads by reversing the steps. If the track still won't power or a tester shows live weirdness, turn power off and consult a light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.